GenSwin Halloween Flameless Votive Candles. Spook up your decor. Transform your Halloween experience with GenSwin's color-changing flameless votive candles. Perfect for home decoration or as gifts, these battery-operated LED tealights feature a delightful design that brings festive cheer. Key features: set of 6 candles. Each candle measures Phi 1.5 and quat, XH2 and quat, and is made from durable plastic with a wavy design, showcasing 6 unique creepy face decals for a fun Halloween touch. Remote and timer convenience. Each set includes an 18-key remote for easy control. Turn candles on, off, select flickering or steady modes, and set 4/8-hour timers that automatically cycle every 24 hours. Safe and eco-friendly. These flameless candles are powered by high-capacity County Route 2450 batteries, eliminating fire hazards and wax mess, making them safe for homes with pets and young children. Flickering mode. Choose between flickering mode for a realistic candle effect or non-flickering for steady illumination. 4H, 8H timer function. Set the timer, and if you choose the 4-hour option at 6 p.m., the candles will shine for 4 hours, automatically turning off at 10 p.m., then relighting at 6 p.m. the next day. Perfect for any Halloween celebration. Enjoy a safe, charming atmosphere with GenSwin's flameless candles, making them an ideal addition to your Halloween festivities or a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Just switch the bottom to on, and control them effortlessly with the remote.